Grout-Aid markers are highly recommended for use in the bathroom, kitchen, or any area that is prone to moisture. Just lightly wash the surface to remove grease, soap, and oil. Shake the marker with the cap on for 30 seconds or until you hear the mixing ball clicking. Remove the cap and gently press the tip down on a piece of paper to protect the surface until the grout color appears. Be patient. It needs to fill all of the pores completely. For thick coats, apply Grout-Aid as is. For a thinner coat, you can dip the tip in a little clean water. The tip is reversible. Rough grout may wear the tip down slightly. Simply remove the tip, reverse it, and reinsert it into the marker. The Grout-Aid formula takes 2 minutes to dry, so if you make a mistake, simply use a moist paper towel to wipe it off and start over. You must wait 24 hours before getting the treated area wet. Always test Grout-Aid in a small, inconspicuous area first. If the color does not match or is not to your liking, quickly wipe the grout clean with a damp cloth. Do not let it dry.